Okay, so come get your eggs from the hot spring.
Mine is here.
So what a video? You want a video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, who's going to eat the broken one?
But
Who is likely to eat the broken
there is
one?
no problem with the broken one.
Eh, that's a lot of salt.
And that one will be having salt already.
So after it is ready, this is the serving. Eh?
Which one is removing theirs?
Each one is removing his or hers.
Well, is it an egg removing ceremony?
Egg
removing
ceremony. So you are done with yours,
Egg removing what?
Ceremony. Self-service. It is a self-service.
Ceremony. Welcome to Chiviro Landing Site, Lake Albert. Midora Rejoice.
Is it hot?
Egg removing.
somehow hot.
Yeah, they're hot. Who is removing? I'll remove another one. I'll move for Aaron. Egg removing what?
Ceremony.
Function.
Yeah.
And it is
Ready to eat.
Is it
Very
hot?
hot.
Is it ready?
Let me
Very
see.
hot.
Mine wasn't hot. Eh? Maybe it is not yet ready.
It is because I ate mine 5 minutes ago, and it was almost cooked, so it will be cooked.
Okay.
Yummy. Who is coming? Aaron is here.
Come pick your egg. Egg picking ceremony.
Right. So you think you are?
Use that one. It's got the roots.
Yeah?
That one's got the roots.
The one which is cooked.
But yours is not hot.
Yeah?
Is it ready? Yeah.
Very.
I picked the last one.
If you peel a little hole at the top and a slightly bigger one at the bottom, put the egg like that in your mouth and go. Comes out.
I picked mine. Self-service. Egg picking ceremony.
Hot, eh?